Alright, I'm inside Mengrai Thai restaurant on Ontario Street and Richmond in Toronto on a live stream with Out and About with yours truly, Lizzo C, and I'm just doing some short videos for what's cooking with Lizzo C, and this is my review. This is pumpkin soup, and I said it was a Thai spinach. Looks delicious. Oh my god. Wow. The flavors in here. It's a bit, there's a kick to it. A little bit on the spicy side. No cream, he said. Oh my gosh. It's almost like a floral taste to it too. It's different. I've made squash soup, but it's not like this. There's an ingredient here that's almost a floral taste, and then I have to figure. I don't know, but it's so good. It's very good. Very good. I'm gonna ask Alan what's in here. The kick part, like it, you know, I wasn't expecting it, but not getting used to it. Very good. I don't. What is that? I do taste coconut. Maybe some curry. That's very good. I think I've had Morning Glory at Chop Chop, the Chinese restaurant that I've been to. I had it. Nice sauce on top. Wow. Truly authentic Thai food here. It's unique flavors. It is very good. But what else is in this? Oh my god. Very, very good. Yum, yum, yum. Wow. Wow. There's a wow, wow, wow. Hi. Come on.
Peasy, come and
Hello.
say hi to your friends online. This
Chef.
is Chef Sasi.
Chef
Guess
Sasi.
what? She's Thai, but she speaks Cantonese very well. Yeah. So she was wondering if you enjoy. Tell her if you
Oh,
enjoy
it's
the
lovely.
soup. Is it good texture?
Yes, absolutely. This one is beautiful. It's like a floral taste to it.
Lemongrass.
Lemon?
You're pretty good.
Lemongrass.
Yeah,
Because I make squash soup, but not like this. Like this is beautiful, beautiful.
Thank you.
Very different, unique taste to it. And the kick, what is that? Is that
The spice.
The
From
spice.
a little bit of spice in it.
What
so
type of
you
spice?
need a nice glass of white wine. Or
No,
don't
no,
need too
I'm
much in
good.
it.
I'm good. But
It's a lemongrass with a bit of tom yum.
tom yum.
Yeah.
Tom yum. Okay.
Yeah, so it brings a little
It's nice.
finish.
Like, yeah.
And how's the crispy morning glory?
it's great. It's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh,
So,
I love
yeah,
it.
It's nice. You can eat the whole big platter, but I don't want
This,
to.
no, this is great.
Yeah.
Amazing.
I'm gonna let you
I
try
love it.
one of her new dish tonight.
Okay.
It's the crispy mango chicken. It's
Oh,
gonna be a
sounds
best.
good.
It's not even on the menu yet.
Oh, good.
So
Oh,
we're
zombie.
gonna
I feel
see
so
what you
special.
think. You
That'd be
are special.
I love that.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. This is so much fun. Yum, yum, yum. Mmm.
We have two dish, and I think this gonna be the a very good new dish. It's called the crispy mango chicken.
That's
And
lovely.
we you know, introduce it quietly, and it's getting a lot of rave review.
Okay.
This is her epic red chicken curry with lychee pineapple.
Oh,
and
sounds
we're the
lovely.
only restaurant in the world.
Oh my
That's
goodness.
because it's her
Wow.
own creation.
Yes,
It
yes.
got so famous that NBC TV had to come to Toronto to
NBC.
film it. NBC TV,
Oh.
extras, mentions
Extra-
and
really?
millionaire.
What?
Because they found that John Travolta loved it, Drew Barrymore,
Oh,
Richard Gere.
really?
And yeah, and so this is it.
And then
we
the
serve it with
rice.
jasmine rice. So I hope you tell everyone
Oh my
how much
gosh.
you liked it.
Oh,
And
yes.
it's just really relaying that it's so popular here.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Looks great. Okay, I'm gonna dig in.
Okay, they can.
Again, Thai cuisine, they don't use knives, okay? They will always give you a spoon and a fork. If you have to cut, just find a way to cut the food. No knives. So I want to try the chicken first. I tried the chicken first. Oh, very good. Not overly battered. There is like a coating on it, but that gives it a crispy texture, which is nice, but it's not like thick batter. There's cashews in here. So far the flavors it's good, but there's nothing standing out right now. Can't make out the flavors or not. But it's good flavor. Put it that way. Try the curry now. Oh, there's oh, thank you.
Sorry.
Curry lychee. I'm tasting the coconut milk or coconut. It's not spicy at all. This is lovely. Never thought to have a warm, like, or, well, not cooked. She probably just add the lychee at the end and let the curry sauce, you know, warm it up. I would have thought because it's a fruit, like it would be sweet, but I don't taste anything like, it's not overly sweet or anything like that. Getting very chicken. It's just very good. It's different from, you know, the other restaurants that I've tried. The chicken mango. Take your bites. If you're in Toronto or visiting, you have to come here for authentic Thai cuisine. Mengrai, Ontario Street, and Richmond in Toronto. Come check them out. Very good. Come say hi to Alan. He's the best. And Chef Sasi. Best Thai food in Toronto. Check them out. Okay, they just brought out the lemongrass creme brulee. Dessert here looks lovely. They are spoiling me. Wow. It's different. Lemongrass creme brulee. I don't know. Wow. It's floral. It's all this floral tasting. A bouquet of flowers just burst in my mouth. Wow. Oh wow. It's not sweet at all. Creamy lemongrass, a bouquet of flowers in my mouth. You have to come here if you're visiting Toronto or if you live in Toronto. Mengrai Thai Cuisine Restaurant. It's a must. You have to come here. It's different, but it's a good different because I've never had something like this ever before. Amazing. Check them out. Alright, I just finished having a lovely dinner here at Mengrai Gourmet Thai by Sasi, the chef, and her husband is the floor manager, I guess. He's lovely, Mr. Allen. Allen is his name, and we had a lovely conversation before dinner, and was on the live stream as well. I was on the live stream, so this is actually, wasn't thinking of actually making this intro video first, so I'm doing it after the fact. So it's nighttime now. It is 11 p.m. Friday night. But I had an amazing time here. So anyone in Toronto or visiting, you must come here. This is Ontario Street, 82 Ontario Street and Richmond Street East. Come check them out.